Iran has introduced a new cutting-edge jet-powered stealth drone, the JAS 313, designed for reconnaissance and strike missions. The aircraft, which bears a resemblance to a downsized conventional fighter jet, was officially presented during a ceremony aboard the Shahid Bagheri, an Iranian naval drone carrier. Rear Admiral Ali Reza Tangsiri, commander of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps IRGC Navy, showcased the drone, emphasizing its role in enhancing Iran's aerial capabilities. Equipped with a jet engine, the JAS 313 can achieve high speeds, making it a formidable asset for swift and precise operations. According to Iranian military officials, the drone is tailored for deployment from specialized naval platforms and is currently undergoing rigorous flight testing before entering full operational service. Rear Admiral Tangsiri confirmed that the drone's speed significantly boosts its mission efficiency, and its integration into the IRGC Navy is imminent. Newly released footage from Iranian media showcased the compact design of the JAS 313 in contrast to the expansive flight deck of the Shahid Bagheri. The drone's advanced jet propulsion system ensures rapid maneuverability, enabling it to execute reconnaissance and precision bombing missions effectively. Iranian authorities view this latest addition as a crucial enhancement to their unmanned aerial fleet. The JAS 313 successfully completed its maiden test flight on February 6 from the Martyr Bagheri, a naval drone carrier recently inducted into the IRGC Navy. This warship was specifically designed to serve as a mobile launch platform for UAVs and helicopters, bolstering Iran's maritime military presence. Officials disclosed that the vessel also supports two versions of the pilotless Kahir stealth fighter, an aircraft originally introduced in 2013 and designed for operations on short runways. During the February 6 demonstration, two variants of the JAS 313 were tested. The larger model, featuring an enhanced jet propulsion system, offers extended operational range and endurance, reportedly capable of flying for up to 1 hour. This development aligns with Iran's broader strategy to reinforce its surveillance and combat drone fleet within the IRGC Navy. Despite the strategic significance of the JAS 313, its unveiling was met with mixed reactions. Some Iranian social media users ridiculed the drone's compact size, with one commentator humorously suggesting that superior models could be found on online marketplaces. Nevertheless, Iranian military officials remain steadfast in their commitment to drone technology, seeing it as a cornerstone of national defense. This latest drone development comes against a backdrop of escalating tensions between Iran and Western powers. The U.S. has recently imposed sanctions on entities in Hong Kong and China, accusing them of supplying critical components for Iran's UAV program. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent noted that Iran continuously seeks alternative channels to acquire Western technology for its drones, often relying on intermediaries and front companies. Iran has significantly expanded its drone capabilities in recent years, with the military receiving an additional 1,000 UAVs in January alone. Iranian drones have played a pivotal role in Middle Eastern conflicts, including operations in Syria and Yemen. Furthermore, Russia has extensively deployed Iranian-made Shahid drones in Ukraine, integrating them into missile strike operations. Ukrainian reports have linked these drones to attacks on infrastructure, including an incident near the Chernobyl nuclear plant. As regional tensions persist, Iran continues to advance its drone technology, preparing for potential conflicts with adversaries such as Israel and the United States. Since the implementation of Washington's maximum pressure policy under former President Donald Trump, Tehran has prioritized the development of indigenous defense systems, with drones emerging as a crucial component in its military strategy.